morning. Look at that sun. It is 7:30. I'm getting ready. Oops, sorry. So I have my little car here with mulch, my threading scissors. I need to take care of these ones. I have my padding to needle, evergreen toner. I got these new scissors, and I have here my radio, two kind of gloves. These the regular, and these for when I have like very painful plants, like with thorns. And my water, the lights that I have to replace, and this is the beginning of the pergola. I moved this one here. I think this is the spot. I've been moving the pot to see where it looks better. I mean, where it's more happy. Here I have my 3 tomatoes. They're getting happy. Well, this is not so much, but they are. I watered yesterday. My husband helped me with the, oh, this is heavy, with the wheat part. And I will see if I can work this part. So since they were called these, shoot, it's breaking. This will be the first part, I think, that I will work with seeds and try to improve these. I need to do cleaning here. It's so many projects, but let's begin for the one that we have planned today. So need to do this. Oh yes. This is another big project, but for now we're still working on everything. So this is going. And first thing will be give shape to my bushes and clean the borders, fertilize and mulch. This is the ones that I planted the other day, and they are doing good. I only cut 3 of these bushes. I need to also clean that, and I will sweep that part there. Let's do this. I got all of them trimmed. Well, not all. This I will continue tomorrow, but this one I'm trying to recover. Let's see if it's working. I see green coming, so I don't want to cut more and let all that green come out. My husband said that it will not fix. I say it will. I trust in the will to live of this baby, and it will get good. Now I need to put a little of this on all this, and then I will put the mulch. Now I'm working on my laundry. I have all these to iron, and I have a new hose. This one is longer than the other one. Let me put this away. And oh, where is my water? There. So it will help me to water. But I have so many toys here. Look at that. So many toys. I need to take care of that. I need to take care of these lights. I haven't had time. Oh my gosh, I need to take care of all the mess. Let's begin with these. I already took my shower, watching a knitting show, and then I will iron all that.